everybody, I'm Allison.
I'm Grant.
And today on the Winkle, we are making balloon racers. Grant, do you love racing?
Yeah.
Yeah, what do you love about it?
You go fast.
Yes. Well, today in the Winkle, we're going to race balloons.
Balloons?
Yeah.
I thought they only go.
Well, we found a way to get them to go. So, shall we see what's in our kit?
Yeah.
Okay.
3 balloons, 4 pieces of crepe paper, glue dots, a straw, last but not least, fishing line.
Cool, fishing line's gonna be awesome. On top of everything in your kit, you'll just need a pair of scissors, and then we're ready to get started. The fun thing about racing rockets is 2 people can do this project together. So like if you have a brother or sister, a mom and dad, or a friend come over, they can do a balloon rocket and you can do a balloon rocket. So Grant and I are gonna be racing rockets together. Okay, you're gonna take your crepe paper and then we're going to cut it into thirds. Thirds means 3 even lines. It's hard to cut them very evenly, but get it as even as you can.
Maybe some of us older people know about fractions.
Yes, you do know about fractions. Thirds. See, I like to sneak some math in on everybody. Then you're going to take one of your glue dots and peel the paper off. On the back side of your crepe paper, peel it off very slowly and carefully. Hold this part down with your thumb and pull that plastic part off. And then fold in the edges like that. Yes, so can you imagine this being on your balloon as it's racing up the zip line?
Fire!
Like fire on the back of a rocket. Awesome. Okay, the other thing we need to do is cut our piece of straw. So each person needs their own piece of straw. So right here, we're gonna cut about a 2-inch piece for me.
And a 2-inch piece for me.
Okay, we're almost done to race our balloons, but first I want to show you how we're going to set this up. Now you can do this inside or outside. We're going to be going outside because it's a little bit easier for us, but you guys can do it inside or outside, whatever works best for you. So we have a chair set up outside, and since we're racing, we're going to put our fishing line one on each side of the chair, and it's going to be going up to our monkey bars, okay? So think about what you have at your house, but you need to make sure that the fishing line is equal on both sides so that the race is fair. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to set up your fishing line on Grant's wrist. We're gonna pretend like Grant's wrist is either like the leg of a chair or maybe a tree branch, and we're going to tie this fishing line just in a simple knot. And then before you tie your fishing line to the ending spot, you need to put your straw onto your fishing line, okay?
That's where you're gonna attach your balloon to.
Yeah, exactly. And we're going to attach the end to a higher point so that your rocket can shoot up. Once your fishing line is tied to the other side, you're going to rub a glue dot on your straw, carefully pull it up. You don't want to put your fingers on the glue dot because that will make it less sticky. And if it's less sticky, it won't hold your balloon very well. After you're done putting the glue dot on your straw, you'll also want to put a glue dot on your crepe paper and set that aside. Then you blow up your balloon. Once you attach your crepe paper fire to your balloon in the back, you press your balloon against the straw. See how it's near the back right there? Your balloon
Zip on
can go up the fishing line. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! So you have one extra balloon just in case one of your balloons pops or gets a hole in it or flutters away. But other than that, you have all the instructions, you have all the materials. We're ready to go outside and do this.
Let's go.
Awesome. Hey guys, okay, we're here in our backyard and we have our race set up here. Our fishing line is tied to a chair, equal on both sides of the chair. And we put the straw on the line and then you tie the line to somewhere up above. So if this is in your house, it could be from a chair to someplace up on the wall, or a knob on your kitchen cabinet or something like that. But try and find something to where the rocket can shoot up, okay? So it looks more like a rocket. And then for it to be a fair race, you wanna make sure your starting point and your ending point are at the same level, okay? Take one of your glue dots and attach it to your straw. Hi, Bailey. Like this. You're just gonna press it onto your straw and then slowly pull it off like that. Once you have your glue dot on your straw, you also need a glue dot on your fire paper, okay? So we're gonna get a glue dot for that. And then set your paper down on the chair. All right, now we're ready to blow up our balloon. Now, don't let go of your balloon, okay? Don't tie it and pinch it really tight. We're gonna put our fire on the tail end of our balloon rocket. Keep holding on to the balloon. Keep holding on to it. Okay, and you've gotta put this above the straw like this and kind of angle it. So that when the air comes out, the balloon's gonna shoot up. This is something you can experiment with too. We experimented a lot with this. You can try the balloon underneath the fishing line, above the fishing line, a big balloon versus a smaller balloon. You can experiment with the angle of it shooting up, okay? You've got to bring your, okay, bring yours down here by me. All right, what do we say when a rocket blasts off?
3,
2, 1, blast off!
Mine won.
Oh, it sure did. Wow, early.
Ready?
3, 2, 1. Oh, mine won that time. Look, yours just was spinning. Thanks for joining us today, everybody. I hope you had a great time. I know Grant and I had a lot of fun today.
Yeah.
And we can't wait to see what you guys did. So if you take a picture or a video and have a grown-up post it on social media, tag us at the Winkle Crate. That's at the Winkle Crate. That way we can see what you did at your house. Thanks for joining us, everybody. Bye.
Bye.
What is this called?
Fishing line.
But and also your straw to the back of the balloon. Once your balloon, nice.